Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the compass in your watch. Before we get to doing anything on the watch, we want to make sure that we do this outside and away from anything that has an electromagnetic field, such as power lines, cars, anything like that. Try to get as far away from anything like that when you're performing these steps. So the first thing we need to do is long press the watch face. From here, we'll scroll down all the way to the bottom, down to Settings. Once in Settings, we'll scroll down to Sensors and Accessories, and in here we'll select Compass. And now we just select Calibrate. Now to do this, you need to have the watch on, so I'm going to go ahead and put my watch back on, and now just select Start. Now to perform the actions that are being displayed on the screen, you need to just move your hand forward, and as you're moving your hand forward, twist it so that the watch goes upside down, bring it back, and then back like this. You move it forward with the watch face up. Then you turn the watch outwards and move it backwards in a smooth motion like this. They call it a figure 8. And you do that until you see Calibration Complete. Then just select OK. That's how you calibrate the compass on your Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.